Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know the world is just crazy right now. A lot of you are probably at home. I'm at home till Monday myself. I am considered an essential employee, so I will be going back to work on Monday because I do work in the mortgage industry, but it's crazy out there. And so for those of you who are going to be spending a lot of time at home or just love music in general, you're going to really like this review. So this review is sponsored by LuguLake. They sent me their vinyl record player, and I really like it because listening to records is something that I used to love to do with my mother, who has since passed away. But I have, a ton of records that I really love, but I didn't have anything to play them on because, the old record players were really big and just kind of unsightly. Like personally, I have more, I don't even want to call it a minimalist design in my home, but I just don't like clutter, if that makes sense. So I love that this record player has a smaller footprint, and it has a retro look to it, so it's super cute, and it has built-in speakers. It does have an aux port on it, so you can connect external speakers to it if you so choose, but it sounds very good with just the built-in speakers. I would love to play the speakers for you, but unfortunately YouTube will remove my video if there is copyright infringement in the video, as you guys know. But just know the sound quality is really nice on it for sure. It gets pretty loud, so you can hear it all throughout like 1,000 square foot upstairs. So really like it. I love the finish of it. It just looks so super cute, and it does play 7, 10, and 12-inch records as well. And also it's kind of nice too to have a record player, even if you don't listen to records every day, even if you just want to listen to them around the holidays or when you have parties. It's just really nice. I mean, I know, my boyfriend is 15 years older than me, so he's very into vinyl, and of course my aunts and uncles, when they come over for the holidays, they're super into a lot of the music that can be found on vinyl records, so it's just great to play it for them. I'm a huge Elvis and Stevie Wonder fan, so I love just playing Elvis Christmas albums. It just, it's nice to have that nice music throughout the house during the holidays. But right now it's a great time if you are at home, you're thinking about cleaning out your house, finding some of your old records. It's great to have something to play them on, and this is available on Amazon, which is really great. So I would highly recommend checking it out. If you are someone who loves music like I do, you're really going to enjoy this vinyl record player. So thank you guys for watching. As always, be sure to click the link down below in the description box to go pick up your vinyl record player by LuguLake, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye. Stay safe.